In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SSL Hybrid in TradingView Pro. First, go ahead and open up your TradingView chart. Make sure you're on the asset and time frame you want to analyze, because the SSL Hybrid will be applied directly to whatever chart you're currently looking at. At the top of the chart, you'll see the main toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community scripts are stored. Click on the Indicators button to open the Indicators window. If you're new to TradingView, this panel is where you'll spend a lot of time adding and managing the tools that help you make trading decisions. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. Click inside that search box so you can type in the name of the indicator you're looking for. This search field is really helpful because there are thousands of indicators available, and scrolling through everything would take forever. Now, in that search box, type SSL Hybrid. Make sure you spell it correctly and give it a second to load the results. As you type, TradingView will filter down the list of indicators to match what you're searching for. You should see one or more versions of SSL Hybrid appear, often created by members of the TradingView community. When you see SSL Hybrid in the results, select it to add it to your chart. After you click it, the indicator will load automatically and appear either on the main price chart or in a separate pane, depending on how it's designed. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you actually clicked on it and that you're still connected to the internet. Once SSL Hybrid is on your chart, you can usually customize it by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line thickness, and sometimes key parameters that control how the indicator behaves. Spending a bit of time here to make the visuals clear and easy to read can really improve your charting experience and help you avoid confusion during live market hours. If you want to unlock more chart layouts, extra indicators per chart, and a smoother overall experience, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the description of this video. It's a simple way to support the channel while getting access to more powerful charting tools for your own trading.